How to fix Leagues of Legends getting stuck while updating? For this first step, restart your device. Open up Task Manager, search for Leagues of Legends and Riot Client. If it's running in background means end the task completely. Close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text. ipconfig space slash plus DNS, click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash release. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. netsh space int space ip space reset. And the last command exit it. After completing, come to next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. After reset, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down and search for your client. Enable both private and public. If it's not having means click allow another app, click browse and you can add it. C drive Riot client to get the application, add it and enable both private and public. After completing the next step, open up this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click it, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. The last and final step, search for clean MGR, click OK, select the drive. Depends on you, you can select the folder and files and you can delete it. Once delete complete after, you need to restart your device. Thank you.